go. The first step is to find the stud. We have a little stud finder here and Jacob's finding it. So there we go, there's our stud. So we've already found the stud, and here Jacob's showing where we'll take this and line that up with the stud over there. If it's marked, typically you'll mark it. And then we'll put our level again underneath the letters. And then this and this will line up with the stud on the left, and these will automatically line up with the stud on the right. Again, align this, level this, this will line up with that stud, and these will line up with that stud over here. Okay, for this sign, we got a helper on this one. It's called Dog. Jacob's going to show you. It's pretty simple, where you basically have the outer washer, right, Jacob? Let me see that. Right? The stainless steel outer washer, yeah. Stainless steel bolt, yep. He puts that in there. And again, we already have the wall marked for a hole. Some people will pre-drill it. And then this is just the spaces it off the wall. You don't need a big washer on this one because it's a lighter sign. But again, there will be 4 of those that will ship with it to mount. And it's really, really straightforward, isn't it, Jacob?
Mm-hmm.